My name is Manish. Today I am in Bird Park. So I have my friend here. He's gonna tell me where to go. Come on, let's go in. Let's go first. Here. Okay, let me see. Look at here. That's the bird. Let's go another side. What is this bird? Let me see. What? Look at this part. It's like this. Let's go now. Let's see. Oh, now I can see a mother bird and a father bird. Hi, mother bird. It's raining from this bird. Look at that one. There's a red one. That's a red and another one. That's that. It's red. Over there, Paul. In the dark. Mommy, there's one more deer. Yeah. The green one, the green one, the green one. Look at the green one.
That's the red tail, yep.
This one is the green one. This one's the green one. This is inside the sink. This is the white cocoa. I don't know whatever is it. And this is the red tail one. Look at that bird over there. Oh, that many birds. Let me see what bird they have. There's this bird, this bird, this bird. Look at those. What bird is it? This one is like peacock. It looks like a peacock. Is it? There's a peacock. Oh yeah, that's a peacock. That's a peacock, guys. They're filling water for them to drink. Let's go in another side. Whoa! Parrots! Parrots! Yes, what parrots? Oh no, there's no parrots. What is those? This is nothing. Mommy and deer, look at this. This is not deer. What they say? Oh, it's a smarty pants. Oh, a smarty pants. Pink bird. Oh, it's a smarty pants. Bye bye. See you later.